Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana ethi po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me replay. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Hear my phone and say you need me, baby. Bro, that guy was on Flow State when he was on Whisper My Name. That chorus. You. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. The dustier niggas been fucking with us. So, if you want to enjoy that album,
Get your
make
life right,
sure you have a nice sound system. Either your pods are great, none of that fake shit for $10. Your car has to be nice sound system, nyana. Because
Ungahamba ku-Instagram kaSizwe Dlomo.
Sizwe Dlomo is going crazy. Even i-Twitter kaSizwe Dlomo.
Hamba ku-Instagram kaSizwe Dlomo. There's a video of him.
Eshay Benz.
A driving
his driveway.
Benz. So it's driving in his.
And
I assume that's his driveway. A play with Drake. Trust me, when your
We
life
can't-
is like that,
Drake makes
with
sense.
Zamuzu, Iceman, this guy is the coldest of all time.
Drake makes sense.
Because his
bro.
driveway is like from here to like fucking 12th Avenue there.
Gents, angikwazi ukuthi into ngiyikhulume njani ngoba
Asiyabonga ke ama
isilungu
fans kaDrake.
Right. Anyway.
Alright, asikhulumeni ngoMaskandi. Kuyakwazi ulimit nala abafana.
Bona lokho
Mina.
angeke.
What else are we here to talk
abajeke
about?
kumaskandi bazuma who, bro?
No, bro. Hey, dog, I listen to a lot of Maskandi, especially kuseni mangisiya esipano ukuthi yabo inkani.
Uvuka inkani.
Ya kumele ufuna kanti prices keep sakho lesiyana singabe sibhale powered by inkani yesifuna phela.
Asinachi mdala, asinachi in all shapes and sizes
His
and
keeper
prints.
son under what cut what
The label is powered by Inkani.
Scaife.
Yeah.
Inkani.
Yeah.
Scaife.
By Melus
Kodwa
by
usho
Melus
But if
side.
you listen to enough Maskandi, you'll know.
Say,
ukuthi
Funi
a lot
powered
of
by
Maskandi
Inkani,
songs
manje.
are like
Ayabu powered by
romantic
Inkani.
songs.
And then
Those are
Mhlanga
love
Maskandi.
songs. Not even. Babe kulalela izingoma ezilenhlamba, but ingoma eziningi ezemaskandi are like
Ufukhuluma
love
kubo?
songs. Ki
Liswi.
Takule Voros.
tango Steve Ovo.
Level Rosland.
So Voros lema fries.
Okay.
Calm. That'll do.
We'll have that.
And then is Puzo.
Laba sibangaki 3 6 so we'll have 6 of those and then can we get
Awula maintenance very chicken.
Zambezia.
Ay manje so singathola amazambezi amangaki 2
Uthaza bezikini. Mina. Lo nathi Bahamas. Price.
Price unufuna.
price ufuna
Price
Nathi
ufuna istilo
Bahamas.
wacha.
Steve Ovo.
all right zwan ufuna
Asafana ngikhuluma kumic. Hayi mebe bakwazi nathi ke.
Brutal fruit.
Qali ibrutam.
Damn. I think I've been in this game too long, bro.
yeah all
Ngama
right
cheat code
anyway
now.
my gents I had a question to ask you guys.
Yeah, let's go.
My mbuzo
Ebrutal le cup. Le glass so sense le cup time.
my mbuzo to you guys is
Twist.
how much do we consider a background yomuntu in the spiritual sense when you start dating someone? Like, how much do you weigh ukuthi
Oh, don't get me fired up, boy.
lo ngibo maybe kulento zokuloyana or ngibo
Do you know-
balokuthamulana?
There's an argument to say ukuthi into yakho yenzayo iphume kuhle, like your relationship to work, it makes sense that you guys have the same framework so that you guys have something to refer to. Okay, sharp. Mongi, mina now siyathandana. Me and you, we have a clash. Okay, for Christians, what
Telefoni
does
indaba
the Bible
iniphumile
say?
la.
Ayikho phela la
get me?
seseyifake ebantwini
If singers one, what does the Bible say? Ngoba singamaKristu.
Oh, lihlangana ngeBhayibheli.
Sihlangana ngeBhayibheli. Angisho singamaKristu. Me and you have failed. What is the highest, I don't know, power that we believe in? It's Christ. What is our reference? The Bible.
So
what does
how
the Bible
how does
say?
it dictate that we
Yes,
handle this?
because at the end of the day, this is what guides us. And then that makes it easier. However, impilo ayikho njalo. At the end of the day, Kristu uyazidingela inyanga yayo. And then those clashes are...
That is actually the basis of my question. How much do you guys, or have you guys had experiences where, or do people even have that kind of awareness in a
Or do
relationship?
people think about it? Yeah.
Yeah, because we are told ukuthi isikhathi ngomjolo wena awuhambi. Uzitshela ukuthi
Yeah, but if you deep it closer, like...
Hey, lalela bro. Sometimes you are in a relationship uzitshela ukuthi into azisebenzi because lo uyafeva mina lenkani. Whereas ingce one of you wena vele ngini bakuthi zapata. Into zakazihambi.
ngeke
How much do we allow that
And
to
how
have
much will
weight
your
in a
partner
relationship?
understand when you start telling them, listen, me, where I come from, this is how I solve this thing. But where you come from, you're telling me too fast. Me, I have. That's not going to work for me.
you are?
Yabo?
You are?
God, that is not gonna work
Siyaclasha.
for me.
Liyaclasha khonapho because
Ungakwazi,
ugogo ka Mongi abethe right. Siyentabeni siyakhuleka 5 days akudliwa. Umalume ka K Breeze ethe ndodazwane. Hamba uyocacada amazambane
Qande.
ayi-15 uthi qanda uphehle
Faka phansi kwendlu.
uyavuma boy. Do you get me?
Wathi
So that's a
fu
very
umuntu
solid
eyenza
question.
khona wekhana ucacada amaqanda aqede live ke ngechechi.
You see now,
Kukhona futhi lakho khona lokho.
that was my question to you guys. I wanted to ukuthi
Yeah, bro. Like instead of
answer.
just saying popo in the comment section, we appreciate it. But like, come on, we need
Alisincedise la.
Ora sempundu
so bombo clap.
Bonanza. Listen to what my
Bombo
question is.
clad.
Lina, as individuals, what's your take on spiritual history yomuntu and their family in a relationship? Ukuthi nxa uqasa ukuthandana lo muntu, do you consider ukuthi umuntu lo ngibo benza into ezinje basonta lapha, and laba vele kade mbuzela mostly into outside of isonto, ukuthi like, do you allow those things to weigh into a relationship? Ukuthi nxa usuthanda lo muntu sekuxoxela ukuthi ngikhaya ubani wayeloyo ubani, ngikhaya ubani loyo ubani lo, usuqasa uzibuza ukuthi
Keloyana lapha.
Uthi lapha nami senza loyo.
ngazi njani lawa abakukarabhi ukuthi into le ingasebenzi.
Kube le voice ethi run
That's my
away.
question to you guys, and I want to hear your
away.
answers.
Run away.
Okay, first of all, mina I think ukudate anti vele mina ngibona ngani isi state sokuqalisa ukufundana. Yabona, like umuntu, if a believer in something that when I don't believe in, ignore the feelings and use logic, Jay. Because ama feelings one day azaphela and they will not be able to sustain your relationship. Yabona. So kulezinye izinto ezalenza kanjani liqhubeke ezi more than ama feeling.
Usebenza ngani logic.
Exactly.
Fana, you're speaking like a man. I don't know if women agree with
Jay,
this.
when you say yami wena understand.
Go is size yami.
Bro,
Asizingane
this
la
goes-
ukuthi
Yeah,
this goes back to
yeah.
our chat.
So now into khona mina personally mina ngibeliever kuNkulunkulu. I don't belong to a particular church, although ngabhaphathizwe Anglican nxa ngoma mdala ngena iSabatha, so I usually say mina ni Seventh Day Anglicanist. Yabo. I just need someone who believes.
That's a cocktail of Christ, my
Abantu
boy.
uhambe church.
Exactly.
that's a what?
So mina izikhathi eziningi mina I'm attracted to someone who believes in Christ more than me, because ngiyabe ngikwazi ukuthi okay, during my weakest point when it comes to Christianity umuntu lo zang uplift. If I don't feel like praying
Uzathi hayi
baby
Thomlanga.
vuka sikhuleke. Yabo. Mina I'm lucky enough ukuthi kathesi I'm dating someone ontshela ukuthi uke wakhuleka. Uvuka sikhuleke. Abaningi ngokuhlala
Where
kungama
she at?
vibes.
Wow.
Yabo. Now imagine kathesi umuntu lwana ngiyame sithi izinto zami azikhambi. Anjo. Abesentshela ukuthi Jake yabona emagwegwe ngafika entabeni enje kulogogo nje uvele ebhinga ulezinto
ungethuki mawufika
ungethuki mawufika. Then like the things that you read eBhayibhelini and no into le ihambelani lami. But umuntu lo ngiyamthanda. Yabona ukuthi excuse yabusingena ebusisithi but ngiyamthanda mana ngimithe halfway. The day uthando lungani la deteriorate lapha nan. Ilogic sithi right yakhumbula ignore lapha.
Yes.
So yeah, that's my chat.
Uthini wena put us
uSteve uqhuba imic njenge basket lomnikelo.
Tama ngisi
Uthi hayi mina ngilala utho bamba la.
Yeah, no, kona question is solid. Kona vele mali ngazwanani spiritually chances are high at some point. Ama clashes on lawana zayenzakala and then I think kathese esinye smoke thina our generation mele sivumelane ukuthi Christianity sayifundiswa ngabazali. Abanye abafortunate enough ngaba grandparents, but beyond that there's always been Africanism.
okay
Yabo. So with that said, sesingahlangana umuntu esithi uli Christian but ngibo abazali labokhulu labogogo kusiya ngale kuqalisa ngaye.
it's true
Just to echo what Steve is saying. Do you know what they are Christians or Christian because they grew up Christian? Not
most of
because
them are
you've
most of them
tried
are
and tested, not because you know yourself to say, look,
this is what I choose most of
This
them
is
are
what I've
said
chosen.
this 100 times most of them are
Peer
So, like,
pressure
a
so
lot
yama
of-
drugs kuphela.
Nasecaweni. Uthi
uthi peer
nasecaweni.
pressure so ama drugs kuphela
So,
nase church lile peer pressure
just into echo yona leyo ukuthi is so real, bro. Ukuthi people don't know what they really are because maybe the situation I got demand ukuthi uzikhethele wena, you know? Because the people who say thina ngikhaya vele singabesintu until then situation says, yeah baba, it's time to put your sin to the test and then you discover no.
Yebo phela ngisho ukuthi abanye babesenza but bevala ngechurch.
You get
yakwazi
me?
kufana lani bro yazi ukuthi laba vele sesigama ezini kufana lokuthi if there's a lot of us who are also Christian but still observe certain traditional things fana lento leni yokuthi wena ungalobola umakoti somele ebuye ngine zocolwa
Isintu leso.
there's a lot of Christians who still do into yokucola
Ngcono uxolo.
Bekuthela inyongo.
Bakuthela ngenyongo. It's
but yakwazi ukuthi into yokucola lana ngeyokuthini
ukuthi siku-introduce emadlozini
Yes.
ala ekhaya.
yes abadlozi akithi abaphansi somele bebe kwasithi umongi bazathi umondli
Do you know what the Bible says? The Bible says ukuthi something
mana wena
Manarin,
So serious
serious
la.
la, so suck.
Uxotheni.
The Bible says ukuthi something along the lines of ukuthi indoda lomfazi bayasuka bonke ngibo bayokwakha. That's what the Bible dictates.
Mfana ichese
Not ukuthi wena uyathatha umfazi umlethe ngini.
Uzana uStin.
Do you get me?
Ah.
Whereas
Complete
isinto
eziyakhaya.
dictates ukuthi umfazi umthatha ngibo abuye kini. But then Christians will then exercise ukuthi umfazi uyalotsholwa engalotsholwa umfazi sebuya ngini.
But then what does that say for
What that then says is people when it comes to religion are very selective in their religion.
But do you know
You're practicing Christianity
tell
selectively.
me do you know Mina, to be honest bro I don't have a problem with that Mina I feel like even Bruce Lee said find what works for you
Yes.
but kulama Kristu angafuni ukuadmit ukuthi bona bale selective Christianity they want to look like they are purely Christian yet they still observe a lot of traditional things Mina I have no problem
Yabona I think mina okunye kunjani nje.
Very unprofessional.
There is a difference between e-tradition and e-culture.
okay
And kulezinye izinto yokuthi like nxa usungena ku Christianity I'll ask Steve akhulume enye into engangambuza yona on side ye Muslim wamphendula mnani ukuthi kulezinye izinto ezihasizenza zi traditional esachiyana lazo because of Christianity. Then bese siba lezinye izinto eziyi-culture okumele sizenze according to me as a sign of inhlonipha and showing our roots. Because I think eBhayibhelini there is a part lapha ama missionaries ayitshela khona ukuthi lapha elifika khona linga undermine indlela abantu abaphila ngayo bafundiseni ngoNkulunkulu. So
Damn,
bona
there's a part that says that.
Kwakuthiwa I'll research on that and get back to you definitely.
I'm not going to do that. Thina vele siyawumana lapha. Qhubeka.
Yeah,
fine.
so you can see like when it comes to culture, I would rather also mina ngistike to ukusebenzisa ama herbs as antibiotics and painkillers, because even indaba yama herbs ikhona eBhayibhelini ku Psalm 101 verse 9 verse 14.
Khuluma sh. Press khuluma ama herbs eBhayibhelini.
Anjekwazi ukuthi isihlahla lani kukhona ukuthi sesihlahla eBhayibhelini ku Psalm 104 verse 14 twa, he makes the grass grow for the cattle and plants for people to cultivate, bringing food from the earth. Enye ithi iyakhuluma ithi and herbs for the service of men.
There we go.
Yes.
Bese kuthiwa i-podcast yethanda ukukhuluma ngokaka kuphela. Silitshela.
Lokufuna ukukhothisana kuphela.
No, but
But there's a chat engikwazi ukuthi Steve uzayikhuluma.
Now we'd like to pass the microphone to one of our revered guest pastors from the Sourcetown branch. Pastor Steve, take it away.
No. It's Brother Steve. Take it
Brother
away.
Steve, take it away.
Salam, Brother Steve.
Mina bengakaqedi, but
Yes.
well, my church was. At the end of the day, I feel like across all religions or beliefs or whatever, there is still good and evil. Kuphi? There is still good and evil. If want to ulama evil tendencies, ulama evil tendencies.
Lokhu ukhonza ngapha kusebenza.
Yeah, lokhu ukhonza ngapha kusangeni, because if umuntu vele lo moyo omubi lo moyo omubi. But mawe ukuthi ukrent. So
No, siyakuzwa.
yeah.
But we're saying, bro, in an instant where you guys are trying to build a home and a family, whenever you guys clash, there has to be a framework that you guys
Refer
to say, okay, mina la sesehlulekile. Do you get me?
iBhayibheli lithi
iBhayibheli lead. This is what we're supposed to do.
isiko lethu lithi.
Lead.
Neko nje yabona
Mina ngakhuluma mina ngathi into leyo mendulo umthatho i-serious. Into lezicabangeni lingakayenza onkwayidulu.
yazi umondli uza umuntu omdala ohluphayo nje umondli.
No, mina ngakhuluma dog.
Lomgcini.
Ukuthi this thing is not just about
Rora day.
Rora day, let's
Uhayu
rock one
ubandile
night.
lapha
Do
nathi
you get me? Because when uzathi Zwana mngami iBhayibheli lead, ungangitshela ngeBhayibheli ungasebenzi. So kuchwapeni.
Damn.
Those things are real, bro. If you stick around the power long enough, you'll know ukuthi things khuluma are not fables.
mina bro okay khuluma ni umbono wakho.
Khuluma-
Khuluma divert
khuluma bese
Asikhuluma into serious,
Alright.
sakhuluma
Ungabile nhloni.
Phawula ndoda.
Aya khululeka. I think first of all, I believe a relationship is based on three legs. There's you, there's a second person, and then there's God. So if you have your own connection to God and she doesn't have the same connection to that same God, already that's a broken chain.
So now,
right?
mama, ngomgama engakacontinue. You are actually now leaning into what my question was. Because my question
What if
was,
there's God and Samanyenga?
man.
Nah.
My question was to what he's saying is, khona kokutshoyo, how much do you put that in consideration when you start dating someone? Now, anje bona kokutsho uthi is three legs. When you are now at a realization that those three legs are not connecting, do you leave a relationship because of that, or do you guys just wing it?
Or then you
That's what my question was, Guti. How much does that weigh into you pursuing and staying into a relationship? Maybe I should have asked that.
I think it actually plays a very big part, considering Guti, most of the decisions that you guys make, in as much as they might be financially implicated or whatever other reason, spiritually, there's a certain role that has
So
to
when
play.
you'd never date
Let me
someone,
tell you
I'll
something,
never date
Martins,
someone
Mina.
who doesn't believe in what I
Let me tell you
believe.
the truth here.
that
Here's
you
the
answered
truth.
us.
Here's the truth. Here, we're speaking too much English. Here's the truth, boys. A lot of the time when people start dating, this is the last thing on their mind.
That's true. It
That
is.
is
True.
It is.
the actual truth. Man,
Uyabona futhi iskensho. Lesa iskensho lina.
so wena lapho wale imali usenzani? Abula Jesu lapho dog. Please.
Umuntu esike
Crazy,
wasiwa.
I have a question for you. All right, for example, do you believe in God?
100%.
Do you believe in amadlozi?
100%.
Right.
And
What now?
aliens also there.
Mon-
What now?
Mongi, do you believe in God?
Yes.
Do you believe in amadlozi?
I don't know.
You don't know.
That's a
Aliens,
fact.
Right.
aliens.
Mongi,
No.
do you
Yeah.
believe in God?
Of course.
Do you believe in abaphansi?
Of course.
Right. And then you date someone when you believe the Bible is the manual of life, ne? Like by the Bible. And then you guys are in a relationship. Sharp, you guys have a fight. And then next thing, umongi,
You see?
usesiya.
Angizongibhedela mina la ekhaya.
Ukhona umyamkhuza ngathanda simondli mina. Khona.
Umongi sesiya entabeni, hani?
Asimbizeni Nicole. Kube
Ora,
Yes.
uNicole sesiya entabeni, hani? Usephenduka labana abro mina bangitshele bathi wena vele abangini babangangincanyana. But wena you know ukuthi like
Me and my thing are good, bro.
There we go.
now how
What
do you make
now?
the decision of continuing with that relationship or cutting it off?
Ah, Joe.
That was 100% my question because
I hear you.
Yeah.
Ukuthi umbuzo wakho Kabelo was very layered.
that's the problem.
It's
I really had a
very
difficult
layered,
time.
bro.
Do you know, Doc? I actually thought about it for a while because I really had a hard time trying to. Because the first thing we had to establish was, obviously, I believe samajita, and then uti when ungahlangana lo cherry wesi when you religion niggas will start off a relationship nxa sebeboneni imlenze, you know.
Amathanga.
Yikho laphana bengisithi ilogic.
That's what I was saying, mina ukuthi
I think okunye
into
kuya
lezi
ngematurity
only
yakho nxa
count.
sungumuntu.
No, into lezi only
No,
count when you're really
laba
locked in.
No, I
abantu
think
lokho
like
likhangela
one.
mase lina selijolela ukuchata. As for thina sifukenza ama games. As for thina senza ama games angifuqambela ama
Manje ngitshele, guys.
I won't lie.
Let me tell you.
I-generation yethu konke khona sikukhangele. Azoza ukukhangela uthi umuntu lo yenza uhamba kuyiphi ichurch wena wozaba umuntu uthi ngora nesarade ngechurch yena uthi uyengaphumba uyenzeni you don't care. Asikhuluma iqiniso guys.
Vele bemvuqala ngani?
Sikukhangele yini khona lokho?
Bemvuqala
Uthi uqala
ngani?
ku relationships asikhuluma
Bese siya
ngechurch.
kumunye.
That's not lie.
But don't you think that's one thing that is actually killing our relationships?
Clearly it is.
Yikho ngitsho phela ukuthi lina esalijolela into ezi-serious akufanani lathi esifuna ukuyenza into zama-games ukuthi sasihlala phansi sasikhuluma nge-relationship sasikhuluma ngonkulunkulu ani sengubuza uNtoni ungena yiphi ichurch la usontsheta ungena yiphi ichurch enjani njani abantu abawukhangeli konke khona lokho ona vele first day yikho khona lokho second day yikho khona lokho sasijowela umjolo
Ngizama ukuimagine nje. Ngizama ukuimagine imarriage yomsabatha lompostori.
nakho lokho ke mkwenza la I think ngaba lo muntu oyi-1 engambuze nje ungaba le mali obvious saba suspicious ngifuna uba usuyahamba
What the fuck?
because imali leyo uyithathe ngaphi uyabona
Money laundering.
so wathi sekhuluma lo muntu angikhombe wayepretend evuke
Money
ezekhuleke
Umana utheni mana utheni angizwanga. Ngophindi utheni?
wayevuke ekhuleke
I told you, poison.
I know you are
Rakabushaka
wasn't
Taramasaka
you know, yeah.
Taramasiti.
So the person owayevuke ekhula naye ambudubula ubuthongo khona kanti ngujethi ngehamba ichurch
Hold on. Nilele.
Eh.
Mntwana vuke.
12
Akazi ukuthi
midnight.
Father, we thank you.
yes
Tako.
Ayabingena mfana.
no yabingena yekuyini
Imali
Mali. Do you know it's
Karutini,
easy? Do you
right?
know? Let me tell you, it's easy to praise God when things are going well.
Hey baba.
into
Kulula
yana
dog ukushaya gospel
Guys,
usiyefani when
guys,
it goes hamba kahle.
lingakayikachana. Can I say something?
Asirekhodi futhi.
iBhayibheli
akaza ukarapa
Labantu abanye benjawe ku podcast le.
liba yithu
Selithi sesiba blind kakhulu. Khuluma sorry.
mina yalichaka this.
Sorry,
In front of
John.
the camera.
Khuluma.
Uyabona iBhayibheli liyatsho ukuthi ayisibo abantu bonke abathi inkosi kimi.
Abazangena.
Labakhuleka kimi. So umuntu lana uzabe khuleka hayi uyakhuleka but ukhuleka kubani?
bayabala iBhayibheli yini
mina vele futhi
bavuya
nge-issue
labala
labantu
iBhayibheli
manje-
guy,
Let me
mina
tell
futhi nge-issue labantu
kuba mepho wayemvala
Uzwani
cause ngahlala
abaposta
mbuthi
lalela.
wayengena iRoma
One at a time, one at a
Lalela
time,
nje.
one at a time, one at a time.
Kune difference nje between ukukhonza lokungena.
But ungazibona usuvuke. Price.
Because into ekhona nje
amasabatha yenza nangena
even nama-satanist ayalibala iBhayibheli nje.
Price. Anyari ukuthi kulokukhoza lokungena but ungazibona usuvuke ebuthongweni ukuthi ukhulumele ngonyama. Awungeni.
ngemvana usukhonza
Usukhonza mfana.
ungazibona ufuna
Wait,
ukukhuluma-
but ukhonza ubani?
Hayi.
wayekhonza uAlmighty
Hey.
yakwazi ukuthi
uFather
Wonke
God
umuntu okhonzayo lapha akhonza khona ukhonza uAlmighty one.
bathele
ilingaphindi
iBhayibheli
indaba
yini
yama-ice
Ufama isle.
Jake.
Departure la.
ngisakhuluma mani ngendaba yami
anamhluba ayi
uyabona mina
for those that know babo today is not on form
It's not
wona
his best
babongile
day.
ubabongile usifakela
It's not
ama-ice
It's
lapho
not his best day.
No guys, khululekani. Lisukela khuluma nge-spiritual. Anyways,
ama-ice
bengithi
ejusini
Kaba
no, but
wenza imutra
don't you think at some point, going back to your point, Price, don't you think ukuthi at some point, if it's in a relationship setup, umuntu usengavuka ebusuku just to prove a point to the next person?
akayindawo phela mesaqedisa isitori
Me-
sami
Yes.
la mgama
What a khuluma sure.
Right, good.
khona ngabuza phela ukuthi uyangena yini check ngikho phela ngasemba ukuthi maybe wayezama njani ukuntshengisela phela
Karona umtshela ukuthi liKristu eliserious.
no wayeja kumbona maybe ngesaradinga
So he thought that would drag points for him.
You see?
Okay,
Yeah,
continue,
but-
No, it was
continue.
child. She was living
yabona
on.
so yena wayevuka ekhuleke 12 midnight amfuqa nangavuki nangikhulekani la lana buthonga budabule evuke ekuseni
Father God, I thank you.
Yeah.
Amen.
yena 12 midnight ikhweshu mina vele ngiyabe ngidonsa ingubo vele lokhana ukuthi manje sivuke sikhuleke ngikhulekile phela ngilala angifuqambe ingubo ngangidonsa
I have a thing. I
but
have a thing
yena
like that
used
as
to
well.
pray amfuqambela amanga le wayeleyo kuthiwa kwini was the cult lokho okuthwala ngama
Rosary.
i-rosary
But I'm going to ask you, was his life going well? Extremely well, wasn't it? That's your answer.
you know
Yeah, his life was going
So
extremely
if it was going
The
very
person
well,
she's talking about,
the formula was working.
life was flourishing.
Yeah.
So it
To say
means,
the least.
so it means life was going well.
Bithi mbona sike sivuke lapha sidayela uchief fornication.
Mina ma-10s.
Deshisono.
hawu kanjalo nje
That's the fornication.
A round of prayer, a round of bag shots.
Mina ma-10s.
ayingeke
Box. Yo chansi. Benisha ngomkhuleko, but it's fine. It's alright.
wow
Oh my days.
Mina
Look,
mvumelana.
kuyabe kumsebenzi.
Lalela, mvumelana lento kaMondli le ukuthi sometimes when life is good, bro. Mina
It's very- bro.
mutual mama was encourage her to get on some nonsense hate train or some shit like that. It was some shit about it was just some shit. It was some like pro-religion shit and some. That's what I'm saying. But I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. My life is going too well for me to be down with this shit. Lina ngani lidzamu complain nge life too much lapha into engizenza.
I'm doing
So-
well, bro. Kulula ukukhonza when things are going well, bro.
No.
True.
It's not that. No.
However,
Kulula
I
lokho.
genuinely feel ukholo lwakho silubona when things aren't going well.
But kulula la
Praise.
kulula lalela doc. Kulula nga izinto zinzima. Karl Marx said religion is the opium of the masses. When shit is not going your way, it's also very easy
To splash
feel
a little
like
Jesus in
it
there.
is a plan. It is some taste.
Of course, that's how slavery went on that long.
That's over too deep.
But you guys have to teach them no history. City religion is a social cement.
It is.
Like this thing holds. If you really want to fuck up a society, fuck up the religion.
You know, I'm gonna
Shake
tell
it
you,
up.
I'm gonna tell you guys something.
There's
Fun.
would be zamanyala.
Abazidoti la.
Yabes.
uyenze
I saw King's Crow lenze so because King's Crow
Aye, zamanyala nje.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Boys and girls.
lock in. We've got plenty giveaways.
Peter bang
Oh,
anyway.
Peter bang bang
Anyway, guys,
bang
Yeah, ungiphucelo.
uthi
moving on. And
Hayi mana singaqedi. Sorry, Doc. I wanted to say something. Part of the reason I also brought up this conversation was because I actually wanted to say, there's thousands of people that watch this podcast. Literally thousands. And I wanted to say to some of you, a little self-love is necessary. Lalela, Doc. Abanye benu.
Okwazi ukuthi unga.
Hayi, liyakwazi ngini baliloya. But you keep going into relationships.
Yeah.
And you keep putting other people through shit.
And knowing good and well that i-problem ngu-antwakho.
Umuntu uyajola la ejeki.
Usomba usithi utoxic.
Lichane ngamakhanda nje. Umuntu ekwazi kodwa ngibo.
Babamba.
Bara boom bara bang.
Kulomkhoba.
Ngiyakutshela Jake. Umuntu nje ozothandana lawe yathi Jake, nakuncane wena style ugqoka kuhle. But ungabona sesiphikisana kwesisikhathi athi ayisimlawe. Ngumamdala wenjuve.
It's very dog. Yazi kulomunye ichomlamela nje yazi dog. Ever since I started dating this girl, my shit has gone left and south.
I think even lama soccer players believe in this thing. Ngabona into ezingahambele eteamini Chichi Cherry.
But ama soccer players are too superstitious la wena
Bakhoka amaphenda abafazi phela.
Talk before game awulali girlfriend.
Time bro, yeah.
Yeah, but I thought that was about.
So what day before you game?
Yeah, but that was about semen retention and shit like that.
And transference of energies and stuff.
Yeah, but what's the situation then?
Yeah, ngithaba.
Soccer player.
Ijuice. Ijuice ngithabile pheke ngigcina kube yandihlabe entangeni.
But very chatly, my superstitions, religion is a chat we can have the whole.
Anyway,
the whole day, bro.
Moving on.
Yeah, I have a question. Okay, is my question of the day before you ask. But what's the wildest thing you've ever heard in a random conversation?
Heard?
Yes.
Oh damn.
What's the wildest thing you've ever heard in a conversation?
Useceleni kwapha abantu bayaxoxa. Uzwe bekhuluma. And you can't even comment.
I can't put a pin in that. It's because there's so many crazy things that are said in a day.
Wena utotona nguwe abantu abakuzwa.
Maybe imivuto yabe khuluma amanyana.
Mina balisaya ngathi nise wena khuluma nganga. Ngangomnye umsika. Ayimsikeni ezinye izinto nje. Hayi ngomnye umsika ngezomnye uchomo ekhuluma ngomnye uchomo ayibhebhe omnye uchomo omnye umfazi omnye uchomo. Sorry, labana ngibele sikhwenqa zomlomo lapha.
Desibese so
yeah, ngibele sikhwenqa zomlomo lapha.
Okay, it's fine.
Yazi emsikeni nje. Manje emsikeni libofika.
Kumbe market.
Emsikeni
lase saloon.
Brother, let me tell you, if you in your life as a brewer in your life, if you want your relationship to move forward, do not step foot in that place.
Ingozi.
Saloon. Saloon, maybe ulindu mama, faka pots, bro.
Now one of the worst things I ever did, ngangena esalon to drop off something. Ngingaka, 2 meters one. Ngangena esalon, ngingaka. Ngilama pom ami la.
A4.
Ngathi ngingena vele ngahla ngithi oh no.
Awungatheli ngiyagodola.
What did I just do?
Ngizayitshaya endlini ebusuku.
Ngokuthwana.
Ngabona wathula. Wathula ngangena qhubela umuntu yami ngathi ngijibule ngamphuma. Ngathi
But anyway,
kodwa uyabona amapompom.
Emsikeni kwathwani bro?
Emsikeni.
It smell good.
Kulomnye umdala engambone edlula laphana. Ongani kuthiwa ule sirwere.
Isirwere.
Chirwere.
Amagama amathathu.
Ulegciwane.
Oh lawo.
Yini ingculazi? Bafethu nisasaba ukuthi ingculazi.
Thola lawo. Lamagama amathathu.
Kanti nophuzela ukuya ku podcast le. What's your actual answer?
Ukwenzani?
Ukuphuza ukuya ku podcast le. Sasingakudingi.
Ongena title, call me.
Imagine khona phana kulo Ralph.
Hey. Aseqhaza isithule sesibalalele boyi2.
Le podcast ayingavari sasingabhani.
Anyway, kwakuthiwa ingculazi yakhe. Awuthiwa ingculazi yakhe kwenze njani?
That was the first day umgcina nje la khona ukuthi ngishute lo mondli. Ngathi ya! Like, because for a while we'd been thinking, Guti, who else can we bring on? Who else can we? Because we're looking for someone. And then I'm going to judge shoot it on fucking yeah, man. I don't know why you
Okay.
never crossed my mind for a long time.
Shot me name is Didi.
Wawubhizi MC.
How is Didi?
Wawubhizi
Shot me
emsikeni.
name is Didi.
Obhizi
Wabhizi la indaba zengci.
Also enye value kaMondli ukuthi wakwasebenza efama. So ngawufuna morning after.
nje.
No, bro.
Iminyaka yaka.
Abanye bamazela somewhere.
I think you go ngathuswa ingci.
Yakwazi uMondli abaye bamenzela nga.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen. It's Friday.
Let me tell you something, bro. I've looked like so many people in my life. I've looked like that guy. Fanana le chumli zezime league days.
Oh yeah.
Say stay little.
Akumboleka amazaza.
Ula amazaza ngasafuna
Hayi
ukugqoka.
ngobiselini.
Ngafuna ukugqoka.
Angabi superstar. But I've looked like so many people, dog, in my life. Wow.
Zwanini majens. Abanye benelibukela i-podcast. Maybe sometimes lenhloni zokuthi into ezinjama morning. Into ezinjama morning after. Into
Sashota
ezinjama
amadex.
Osh.
ngeke into yakho ukhuluma ngena mic le. Ngikukhuza ukugcina.
Umjikjela.
Yazi
Nang.
babo lapha nokukhuluma umuntu omdala laba baza kushaya.
Nang.
Baza kubetha.
Nxa lifuna into ezinjama, ngese ngikhuluma into ezidakiwe la. Hayi nxe ukuthi these days
Khuluma,
but
khuluma
kudala
Ansekho ku industry but I
Umondli
really
into
was
ezinjama morning after ama prep.
Hayi.
Ochasela itown icheke liqumbili ngiyadlalela.
Ngitshengile qhubula ngithi call me ngo4.
Nxa siqala
Ngiphathele
pause.
ngizokuphathela.
UMondli wayekutshela ukuthi
Uthi ungambondla.
wayekutshela ukuthi
Imali
ngayise
yami
garden
le.
of house. Uyakwazi upopa kusasa.
Ngene kind of house ngithi return on investment.
ROI.
ROI.
Babe kwathi kusasa uMondli bekutshela ukuthi jeki kusasa vele ungandingi.
Ngiyinja
Ngoba
boy.
i-prep le morning after nyame ngiliphetla. Ngiyazidlalela. It's just a joke.
Kuzangani kind of house iprotein. Stop it.
No.
Stop it.
What's that? But yabona indawo la
No,
indawo
kind of house.
yokuhlangana nabantu.
Kuthiwa kulo msike egarden of house.
Nah, kind of house is a good time.
Ngithi lo angavuna umsila umsila. Umsila ngogarden of house.
Ngipetule nze ngivula imsidi.
Esuthenza ama morning after phela. Yabo kwazi vele imoto amazishaya phansi lapha.
But mbona ungavu wathi wayiprogram ukuthi yabona into etsho it sounds like a viable business
I think
idea.
the company I worked for used to do that. Yeah, I think Bomamanje and Zip, they were there.
Sell them at events.
Yeah, bro.
Obvious guys.
But
Uthi
food.
babesenga ngaphi uma
They used to
after
hold
event.
HIV test kits. There's this thing called Night Out. I'm not sure if you know it.
Is it the Babalas thing?
Yes.
Night out nangozi twin something
Babalas
after.
rescue.
Yes.
No tip no some twin. Eyithengiswa uma uthenga iticket le garden of house.
Probably Night Out.
No, not
Hey,
night
yellow
out, but was something after.
Yeah.
Not morning after. No.
Bose ngathi dadewethu.
Win.
Bewenza. Uzofe. Kancane uyave.
Nah.
So,
Nangenza
yeah, they
khona
used to
lokho.
push those products at events, bro.
Ngomsika.
Technically, yes, MC. I'm a stall, but like,
I guess they're good products, but mina sengihambele cherry so ngikhanya ngithi okay maybe stalls and things utshwala but ilibele
Ha, anje kule event lapha ekhotho kumele befake okuyisitolo kwabo lapha na sabe singena sithe.
ngakufaka.
Mhla 24
Sebengakufaka.
lapha sabe singena sithe.
but ngatsho njalo you're just one step away
Alone.
from ukufaka ama room vele abantu bevele bebhebhadi
Ekhothoni.
Hayi.
anzange nje khotho.
Do you know what,
Mina
bro?
ngikhulume ngekhothoni ukuthi sibe
kumele
sifake
ba-
isitolo
ba-
sithi
ba-
la.
One at a
ba-
time, one at a time,
bafake njengoba kade usitsho ukuthi lona usezekhulunywa emasaluni ukuthi ulengculazi. I think sexual health ibalekile, dog. Like
True.
really
Kakhulu.
take care of yourself, bro. I think okuyangisa wes ikuyalayinela i-ARV kulokulayinela morning after.
True.
Pick your
Say that
embarrassment,
again bro and look at the camera when you say that.
What would you rather do? Ufuna ukulayinela i-ARV kumbe morning after? Actually, no. Pampers or morning after? Morning after, I'm sure you can get that thing for under $5. Huggies, doubt it.
Yeah, I feel
Phosanga
about condom.
Yeah, condom.
Iphinde. All right.
Yeah.
So ititakash.
Yeah. Durex, Kerex. For your ex.
Abantwana isipho guys. Cape Breeze emsikeni ukuhamba njani?
Abukhuluma Mike. No icho mina manje emsikeni nabantu ukuthi umdala lwana ngathi le uyachibilika but ngathi uchicha nomfazi kalwa. Lwakakwazi ngahle ngathi baba. Ngicela ngicela ama king kills ngihambe.
Ola ndithula nana.
I don't have the chest. I don't have the chest to carry what you're telling me.
All anditula nana ndo.
Yo, mna ngizanele King Kill.
Sesizindaba.
Mntana mphakulela ngingayibuzanga mfana. Ngadi Topolino Mangwende. Ndireke ndiyende nini. But yes.
It's hard to narrow down the crazy things I've heard, bro. Anyabe ngiqambela amanga.
Now this one time Majens.
Mna ngikwazi uthi
Babo,
snap sesaluni uzibani
please
sefind
do a better
out boyfriend ekhijela lo bani njalo njalo njengoba indaba ziphuma njalo emasaluni.
Ngicela ukutshela story esiwild esayisenzakala kimi. Nekuthi I've also been on this podcast for so long. I don't know if I've told these stories or not. Because sometimes when I'm about to start telling a story, I feel like I've told this on the podcast. But then, price funny is story less. I was just talking price is story less. I know my is story up.
Eh.
I got inside the student in Nambia. Storyless has nothing to do with like the wild things that happened to me.
No chance.
Ngisikhumbule ngesikhathi sakhuluma ngento zokukhonza abantu lokuthi umuntu ukhonza ungqunguzela lami lapho ukhipha idoti le.
Thank you.
La ni into enzakalayo manje.
Usabatha akwazi phela.
Saka sathi singamajida. Senzi okuyi house party. Imagine senzi house party sinje sikwanile nsiyazana sonke la. NguBryce, nguSteve, ngubabo, ngumondli, ngumongi. Mongi, let's say when we are about 3 or 4. It's an honest house party. It's not even a planned house party. It's one of those things we're all students. We had come from writing an exam.
BOP, someone brings a bottle, the next person, the next.
You know, next thing you know, we're having a vibe.
Showcase.
So vugekseni na pana abantu balele sofeni matrasi whatever. Umongi lo mnyumngani wakhe abasaboni mafoni. So ekuseni nganto kusaqala kuyinto leni yokuthi I check alaba. I maybe check it, you know. For the first 30-40 minutes to an hour, no one really thinks the phones are missing. And as time goes by, dog, we can't find these phones.
Tension.
And then tension starts growing.
Sisika
Gents,
ngesakha.
kharafa angamafoni. Amafoni asabonakala. And kwakwindlu yethu. So imagine kwindlu yethu singamajida so. Thina sonke la sihlala sonke. Umongi uye labangani bakho bazovakatsha. Bazonatha la because emergency, you know, sifela ku exam or so I'm 1-2 a minute check. It's now pretty evident ukuthi the phones are missing. No one came, no one went.
It's just us.
Ngamajida sihlala sonke. Endocherera baba bazotshela thina round.
Phone sinyamaleli.
Amafona ngu2 senyamaleli. Mina ngiqalise kuyi-threat nyana ngithi ama-gents ngisadaro.
Boys.
Bani
ram.
phone.
Yazi namuhla vele nje izothe sinatha nxa kuyi-Saturday abantu basazophuma benzeni vele sizaphuma sonke endlini. Kule shelf lapha. Wathatha amafoni ungabona usuyewani usungana kulabona. Ufaka amafoni eshelfini la.
Asozis no
Vele
judgment.
asoze sibuste ngubana wathethe ngoba vele nathi semphuma nyangaphi ocherera basabuyela ngibo lani amajida afika nga vele there was a good 3 or 4 hour window period where people would be in and out of the house. You would have a chance to be cell phone. Swi langa lichoni phenduke amafoni idolo lo. Awufa amafoni amafoni wakho. So kulalo ebusuku. So sisingamajida sodwa maye ocherera bana sihambi. Ngithi kwabotshela abayebuya I think futhi wayebuye bezovakatsha mainly ngami.
Obviously abudliwa isazela.
So mina vele ayida majents. Into lenza lapha iko sharp. Amajida wonke umuntu alright. Sesiyalala siyacisha ama light. I-shelf nansi.
Ifoni yabayi.
Othetha amafoni.
Hayi bese.
Ungavuka ekuseni ebusuku uvuka ujawu ne-toilet uyefaka amafoni lapha.
Asoze sibe kwazi Themba.
Vuka ekuseni amafoni wakho. Mina ngithi alright majents. Mna la siyajaha abantu ngani nge-good old traditional voodoo sendinyanga
voodoo.
abafana bakho othethe ifoni le uzabona nini ingalo zithe ipipi zithe
Shenge voodoo.
amajithe ngani athi hey why
Die.
ngiphonga ukuthi alright I was just doing it as a scare tactic chama phone call. Back then I had friends ababengama-local nganzanjani hlali nami phi amajide omnye uchomo entshela ukuthi omnye uchomo ohlala kodwa kuseXhayinvinduku omnye uchomo ohlala eXhayinvinduku shaya into ezisukumayo mfana
Khamba kuyi.
shaya umbane emini lo. Ngiyakunika inamba yakhe. Nginika inamba yakhe. Majense mfona.
Sekunjani?
Amajense akhipha amafoni. Shaya ifoni mina. How you doing, my brother? I have a problem here. Someone stole a phone in the house. Utsho wathi azwana wena cha iteksi wehlike total. Yazi total eseClain View ukufika. Ngithi swi. Ngifonela uThira bana ngithi majense. Sesiku Defcon 3 la. We're in Defcon 3 now. Amathi dafu ukhiphe amafoni endlini. Asifte. Amankazana khona ayithwe ngayoBotswana. Awutha ngoLerato lo ay ngamkhohlwa ndoda. Anyway, I forgot her name. Amankazana asihlangana eTown. Give it itaxi. Siqonde eClain View. Sifike sehlile.
Hayi phela kwakungase iskate tactic.
Sebehambile.
Lalela story. Sengifikile eClain View. Sengifonela amajita. Amajita sengifikile. Amafoni akathuthi.
Tswai.
Amafoni itswayi. Niggas gonna make me do this. To you? Ngase ngikhulume too passionate endlini ngithi skipper. So I couldn't back down notes. Yabo? You niggas gonna make me do this.
You have to see it through, my boy.
I had to see it through, dog. Cause uThira abana wesithi alpha. Swi. Ngithi sharp. Phone uChomla. Chomla nesilande totally. He looks like a regular guy. He's a nice guy. Alpha Chomi, yini athi kuma kanti inkinga yini kuyini? Hayi besendlini akona umuntu obuye wangena nomafoni ayithiwa nyamaleleyo. We know for a fact one of us stole 2 of those phones. Chomi ethi asambi. Simlandile. Kata isuye umjita. Umjita lo ngani ngu-assistant.
Apprentice.
Ngu-PA.
Malifika.
Sesifike eDenchanda la khona vele. Ndothi iora ihlicintshe. Nazi ngileke izi-atmosphere singani. Ngasifika lapha. Esimise phandle ethi manyini. Engene phakathi uthi emnikini. Istory ukuthi ethi into ezincane lezi. This is light work. Into zemande lezi bangenisa. Ngase singena lapha kuthi ekhipha nezicathulo. Sesimile manje emnyango. Mbuzo uThira bana ngithi majense.
Are you sure?
Ngena nini?
Amafoni ngahla imalini.
So that
Kuyi- isitenda ngiyawathenga.
Senze ke ngesa lami. uThira bana bethi no but fuck it dog. Lapha kulokudelela nokuthi ngasingeni.
Ohamba nonto ezibindi.
Angihamba nabantu bezibindi doda.
No, but actually in general.
Isikhathi sana futhi nganama-chucktail, ngandithenga ama-chucktail leather ayi-white. Ngiyakhuluma ngawakhipha ngizithukululisa.
Usabha isikhathi.
Ngisabha isikhathi ngizibuza.
Majita.
To be honest, I don't want to do this dog.
But
Do this too. Utsha DJ, we are here. Utsho sesimile singene. Fuck it asingene. Sabe singena so sathi passage.
dosendlini.
Phakathi kwendlu manje sesingena vele lab. eDexter's laboratory. Yabo. Uthira babehamba phambi kwami because mina ngangiziphuzisile kancane ngithukulu ama-ola man.
Wawustola.
Sathi sifika so emnyango. Kwathiwa ngenani la. Uthira abana bavula umnyango. Bangena boyi-2. Athi ngisithi imehlo suka. To this day, bro, those girls still make fun of me for that shit. Ngakhuluma lezo ngathi hayi.
Cha.
Ngathibika ngahamba ndoda. Ngapho ukhala abantu ngathi hayi. Ngathi U10 ngadla phansi.
Fuck no.
Ngahla ngaphuma balandela bathi no ngahla ngathi hey linje amafoni imalini.
Sawathenga amafoni.
Amafoni sawathenga manje.
Wabona.
Lapho ngeke.
Dog, do you know it legitimately look like, you know when you see like African movies and they have that little setup and it's too exaggerated.
So.
That shit is not exaggerated. That's what those places really look like. And it's not even like what the place looked like, bro. It's like what I felt inside me. Lapha ngiyezi ukuthi lapha so kubamba i5G la. Mina ngitsho me LTE. So kubamba i5G la.
Ora isi-owner.
Ndoda. Ngayethuka, I was so fucking scared. I went outside. I didn't even get my shoes. Ngawokha ngaphuma phandle ngithare nama-socks.
Wezindlebe ingasaboni nje.
Ndoda, mina ngase ngiconfused. Then uThira waphuma bangilandela. Bathi je kona nxa ungangeni lathi asingeni. Ngathi vele nasengiqembu noma ngangeni lapha majenzi. Angeni.
Awuvumi.
I was
That's
just
how
doing
you
this.
knew you're Christian.
So now, that's the day I found out.
Do you
I'm
see
a fucking
now?
Christian boy.
That's my chance.
And then uChomlwana uThudu wasesengithukile. Wabe khiphi impahla zakhe, wakhiphi ijuluka attire yakhe hectic. Wabo ugqoka regular cause ngamntwana etla ijuluka head to toe. Engazwakali. Yabo.
Eyinkosi.
Ndoda wasethutsha phandle wathi awufatsho mna. But even ngikhuluma naye ndoda ngimkhadi iface
Regular
yakhe.
guy.
Hayi not Rwanda.
Serious?
Hey,
Usisabeka.
Rwanda way locked in lo. Because even skin zakhe zasilama wayelama scars amaningi
Oh,
like
yeah,
wayengani
yeah, yeah.
yabona
Ukucatshwa.
Ma
right.
tribals.
So yena wayengani uqabwe kaningi efacing yakhe so face yakhe igcwele ama wathi no my brother into le ekho serious ngase ngimbuza ukuthi check mina ukuthi vele mina to be honest angakwasini London la wena ntshela ukuthi ubuza ngenzelani wathi hayi nxa usithi kule nto etshontshiwe yani nabenza kunika something uyeyichela endlini ngathi mira ipapo shamani
Juna lesi ngisiyayithatha ngiyifaka endlini.
mina ngathi vele into ade ngiyifuna yani
Uthi
ukuthi wena
untshele ubizo.
ngathi mina ngale le nditsho uthi uzathi
Hambe buzu lokho
Ubabo.
usintake.
that's all I was looking for dog lokho uthi ungitshela ukuthi ngiyechela 3 days iyadi
Oh, yeah.
I'm not about that life
For
you
what?
know?
Samsung. Oh, what?
You know, and then the guy was just like, okay, I maybe into le so yakho fana wele endlini maybe bong few way to say ubatshela ukuthi usote something or that but the phones never showed up and then like months later bro ngise mall ngiyazokera ndoda ngiyazokera emall ngihamba la mama jita separate ichomlele ngiyitoli handout ama flyer ndoda yabona lana awe
Erectile dysfunction.
bring back los lava whatever imboni ithi my friend yini jithi wakho
Sana iclient.
sombiza my friend bongabantu emall ndoda
Aya.
Online. Mhlambe technically.
but he remembered me because I guess I was so scared and he had to go outside his house to
No,
talk to
bro,
me
you're fucking tall. I bet you.
That too.
I bet he's never seen anyone that tall.
that tall and that
Yeah,
scared
hard to forget, my dog.
Yeah. Anyway, lapha ngisendibuza umbuzo wami benile story futhi.
Vele kusithi nombuzo wakho kanje.
Ngisithi what's the weirdest thing you have
Oh,
ever
yeah,
heard in
yeah,
a
yeah,
random
yeah.
conversation abantu bexoxa. Dude, this Sunday bengoyinye event lapha. I was running 2 events. So I went to this other event and business, my guy, business man.
Booming, G.
So ngifika lapha mina ngisendilambile. Let me just go get some food lapha. Ngithola kule line vele yani yokudla kumele kunjani. Kusave lapha. Mina sengi-order lapha nga-order ngu-order kulezinye ichomi la eceleni nani lazo zimelele khona lapha. So mina ngiyi-1 yabona nxa yi-1 vele you just go quiet hani.
Bayithe.
Because otherwise member yami kunjani essay hayi essay kuyisi member yami kuyisi member yami uMandlo ke lana sehambe kaphansi uMandlo so hambe kaphansi
Player.
lalela story I was dropping no eaves but the eaves dropped on me my guy hayi uMandlo sengihambe kaphansi wathi mfana Hathi yabona into yami leyo ukuthi ngiyaphuma eGoli ngibuye eZimbabwe ngibuyele eGoli vele nginga-announcanga yabo but ngase nilokumtshela ukuthi hayi ngiyabuya hayi ambuyi ngenye ide ngabe sithi ngiyabuya ngemandi ngehle ukutravela ngacina njani ngihambe ngeFriday ngibe ngithutsha mina ngithutsha laphana vele umuntu wahlaba usubuyile wayengangitshelanga mina vele andiniwe I'm not paying attention umuntu nangu wahla answer ifoni waba ngumuntu lana okhuluma ngama-business mina engingawazi ethi hayi vele business lakho siyenze kangcono siyakwenza nge-Friday mina ngithi
Hawu.
angi-understand kanti ukuthi umuntu lo okhulumayo but anyway mina ngizidinele mana ngeke bra now I'm locked into the story manje lapha phela
selokhu check ama-aromate lawo
uze ngingajampisa like those guys were next to me on my right hand ngabe ngenza ngani ngiyabaflathela ngabe ngibamba ifoni kwenze ukuthi bengaboni
kungabi obvious
ngabe mvula uCandy Crush ukuthi kungabi obvious uthi mfana ngabe ngigeza mina lapha ngisageza sengiqedile kube kufika kunjani imoto egedini lapha pi ayachaya uthi imoto mina sengiyathe vula phela lapha athi hayi yakwazi vele abantu these days abamarobhari eGoli lani athi ungawari mina ngikhona kuthiwa
They're robbing you of your bitch.
ithi yazi ba for my nigga yayilokhu ikhuluma njalo ithi yazi ba for my nigga so
04
ngabe ngiphuma mina laphana ngithandela ithawulo laphana ngiphethe isikhisi egedi laphana mpressa migedi imoto ibingena umuntu lwana ayedimile ama-lights wabe sewaflash wambona mina lami ngabe ngikhweza isandla ngathi ubuya yabona fika laphana umjida driver ini yangena siyabingelelana sharp uthi sharp dano angena uthi hata wena ngubani uthi daya mina ngihlala lapha bhudas uhlala lapha mina ngikwazi phela mina uthi hayi asi uthi ngingakuncedisa njani hayi mina ngidinga umandlo da umandlo njani umandlo uyinathi ngena uthi wabe ngena lapha umandlo kuthiwa esemanzi ubuso ekhalithi kanti umandlo ukhalelani uthi hayi baby asambe bedroom sekhuluma ini
Khuluma nomjila lo thandela ithawulo.
mfana uCandy Crush kasadlaleki la
So kumele uchibile ukuthi uqeda masinya butchers.
Uzohamba njani?
uzohamba njani phela bebras khuluma ngapha mina I'm praying ukuthi labana bengaqedi fast hot dog lami nyakwazo indaba lemfuyo iziphelelanga uthi umjida semthetho mina nginguzibani bani wena I saw baby daddy kaMandlo wena wena banjela ukuthi phela la chiyana 3 years ago thina sile 3 years date la
Ulamanga. So baby dating ngulo wethawulo.
ulokho phakathi ulokho in the picture
Umota nguye osezitshela ukuthi yena
usezitshela ukuthi yena sekuthi mina ngiyabhadala lezi school fees zabantwana kuthiwa wena vela wenzi lutho
uyi deadbeat.
What hayi member yami sonke lapha siqanjelwa amanga vele njani
Cool. This is how much I like indaba zabantu.
dude
Locked in.
I was locked in uCandy Crush ngalokho edlala ama false move undoda uthi mfana umjida ngilalele lapha uthi ndoda ngathi nsithi ngiyangena ebedroom sengicaphukile ngithi manje ngidinga izigqoko zami ngithola izigqoko zami azikho la sewardrobe izigqoko zami zihlala espeya ngayo
Hawu.
ngithi mbuzo ukuthi manje izigqoko zami wathi umjida la ehlethi kanti lezi izigqoko ezingapha ngezikabani wathi phela wona nje wathi izigqoko zikamna wakho ngumna wakhe yabuya uthi phela uthi mina angibuyi lapha nxa kuthiwa umna wakhe ukhona ngimhlonipha
kanti nguwe.
lahlela lungi hot dog ndoda ngayichiya indaba ingakapheli
Yani?
Industry lezi tough le.
Majensi. Price. Ngati umondli kweli phone yakhe la. Ngawuni wane ni conversation esefoni kamondli la. Niwona thomlo factor apho lo. Umondli la. WhatsApp inamba angayaziyo ngayisefaka. Inamba le WhatsApp yathi Nana uPri useceleni kwami andikuzwile. Umondli uphendule wathi uPri sorry ngikhuluma nobani. Inamba le yaphenduka yathi ngicela ukukhuluma noKnowledge. Umondli waphenduka wathi I'm sorry I think you have the wrong number. I am Mondli. Inamba le yaphendula yathi uke wangifonela ngenamba zenezi. Umondli wathi nini? Inamba le yaphendula yathi hayi sorry kutsho ayisiyo. Umondli waphendula wathi okay. Woza lazo manje uthini uPri? Dog, I'm reading this shit right now. Inamba le yaphendula yathi uthe i-wrong number manje usufuna ukuzwani uthanda indaba. Umondli waphendula wathi ngizithanda kabi hlobo. Bro, no problem wena.
Highlight of my week, bro. No, because iqiniso one. Nase mfunga bakwazi ukuthi
Umphi uthini?
uthini because awusozo ngiqedza indaba uyitshe endleleni.
you pulled a Christmas move
I really need to know. Qedza indaba oyiqalileyo.
AK Breeze yazi Christmas move ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuthi i-wrong number kodwa ngingaphi
Ungaphi?
Look, you're never gonna see me. Awungazi sozofa umboni. But it's all vent, bro.
Mana ngithengisela mibhenga lami lelinye ibhenge engaliyenza lapha.
Guys, ungathola i-wrong number.
Story sika Bryce lapana ezithi uMandlo wambeka phansi i6 feet kumbe
Uthi kuthana laye.
wambeka nga
Sanye the right point.
Mandlo bamtshaya.
Jack nan suspect all right mina I think wachiyana la ukuthi i-hot dog lasuka labuya masinyane yabona ngokuzajumpisa ukuthi bengiqhubele i-hot dog ngibe mile lapha
Asikwazi.
ngaphosa ngathi
Phela amajita blacker out antsha kwazi. Ubuza ukuthi ndoda, what
blackout
happened? Athi ndoda mina la mangu.
Actually, you asked the right question lapana Steve ngoba mina nami lapana bengiyazibuza eli ukuthi nansi yami. Akuyibale la.
Imnandi balwa ngomunye umuntu.
Yeah, ngoba ethanda manga.
The fuck is this, bro?
Yebo ngingena message ngayazi.
I-message leyi
Ithini?
ithi now Njanko tovunduka. Lolu lithi, I think this is the wrong number. Ezokuvunduka.
Kuba mele ngeliberate Zimbabwe.
I think this is the wrong number. Ezokuvunduka angizingeni mina sisi.
Uzothi nasitavunduka mbe kwathiwani ngathi ezokuvunduka let's count me out bro.
But I mean, I genuinely feel ungatholi like if you try and text someone ufuna ukuventa maybe uthi yazi uprice ungijwayela kabi and then someone says this is the wrong number. Qedisa istory zakho.
But then senza
Qedisa
ukuthi uyenzeni
mbani
kahle.
uprice and wenzeni asimjudge sonke.
No, wena ungam-correct. Manje uthi uprice unjwayela usothi uyenzeni.
Uthi
Then
uyenzeni.
khulume
Hayi, phela-
la ungezelele.
Phela i-courtesy
Khulume
ukwazi.
mase uqede ugcine usithi but njani sorry guys siswami njani
Wrong number. I
Because
played it
story
wrong.
abusukhuthini
I really played it wrong. Kwakumele ngibe kwazi ukuthi kwakumele ngibe ngu-knowledge.
Wamele ube
Ama-chance-
kwazi uphile ukuthi uyenzeni.
Yazi
Kwamele ngibe
ngikhumbule something.
knowledge.
Eish into leyo kumele ngiyidinge before ngifika la. Yakwazi nje kulenye wrong number engangayithola. Utsho umoya esithi kuboya ngani uyayakha or something ngegoli. Esithi sesimelele wena izokuqedisa la. Ngamphendula ngathi alright sha. Mana ngikuthini voice note yakhona? Because into le ngiyakwazi ngayisendela uMJ. MJ nguyazi istory lesi. Why lokho esithi wayembiza abantu kathi? That's when I figured out he also didn't know who he was talking to. Because wathi hayi imali ezitina sengilala abana simelele wena. Ngathi alright sharp lungisa.
Sembuya.
Ngabe nthula. After a while uthi umntwana bethutsha wabe sithi khathi bani? Fuck, I really have to look for that chat bro.
Yakazi speaking of that, kulale eyaphuma i-clip siyi-real. Emunye umjita like yabona like these social clubs big businessmen. Yeah, so babe social club khanya no lapha sebese bathroom bayatshintsha ngani bavela ku golf. Icho maybe answer phone faka ku loud. Ikhuluma nomfazi. Umfazi uthi hi baby I'm at the shop. I saw this beautiful
Get it.
beautiful dress. It's like this. Okay, do you like it? Yeah. What color is it? I thought, okay, if you want it, you can get it.
Bamba.
What? Okay. And also, I've seen this and that. I also like it. Do you have money in the account? Yes. Is it enough? Yeah. Just use the account. You know the details. Wakhuluma wacela kumbe izinto eziyi4 wavuma umjito wakhathi ifoni.
Kodwa iPhone
Umjito omunye engapha eceleni wathi umfazi wakho lo umthengela zonke izinto lezo. That's why. What manje ngubani ifoni le ngidobhe khona ngayi-answer.
Ngikwazi ifoni kabani le.
I think people should start doing things for the plot more, bro.
Hey ndoda, njalo kuqhakathekile
Do
le.
it for the plot, bro. Like ezinye izinto, it's not that deep, dog. Just enza, bro.
Yazi ngiyafuna ukudizivisa amaviyeni lawa.
Enza kudlule.
It is fine.
The fuck?
Utheni? Hayi, ngisayidinga voice. Kuthinja voice yani ndoda. Awula voice esitshintsha la. Mfanele imuzi uThomlo wayefuna umbhadala for ukuze uyakhe endlini yakhe
Wena
osami.
wakumele uhambe.
Wamele uhambe ebhadalo
Vele
yakho.
mina kube ngane ngqondo ezibolile yani. Nganyafuna.
Yochaya ithenda lapho.
Ngacinga imtshele ngathi
Uhlube
Thomla.
ngokubhilida.
I-wrong number le. Eqinisweni ukhuluma lo muntu wrong but
Wakumele usho umtshele. But yeah, no, do things for the plot. Awuluzi, especially entweni lapho ungaluzi khona.
awumondli for the plot yayithanda.
Yeah, no, for the plots, let's go.
I also wanted to say I don't know what's your take on that.
What?
When I into zama-alien awuzithandi. uDonald Trump ukhipha indaba zama-alien uthi ama-alien are-real wena uthini? uDonald Trump uthi
Uthina
ama-alien.
utsho njalo yena.
Wena uthini? Uthi ama-alien are-real.
Mina ngiyalo ukuthi ama-alien are real, but ukuthi indaba ezivela ku-Donald Trump.
Yena wabona
Yeah,
yena.
ivele emuntwini o-wrong.
Besides, yakwazi ukuthi indaba singaba right,
Trump
but
lo
isource
shayela
kumele ibe
umbono
credible. Yabo. Sengakutshela ukuthi jail laphana ziyakhipha. But ngenxa sezingabe zikhipha.
Yena ngasibonise phela ama-alien kumba khona ngale kibo.
Ba-declassify ama-files but ibona
Trump like guys.
Yabona phela, hayi. To be
Trump
honest,
uhlala nombono yo
Trump-
yonke into
Trump-
lombono.
Yeah,
at first it was
I'll
really
come with
entertaining, but now it's now annoying. It's
Yakazi okunye like what can make this maybe to a certain degree true ukuthi like there's a thing yakaphuma ukuthi like yabona indlela esibukeliswa ngayo ama-movie lama aliens lani ezinto ezijiyelene kuthiwa we are being conditioned ukuthi ama-aliens enga-exposwa ukuthi akhona
Asafile America.
singayethuki
plus
Sitshela ukuthi
sisele
and
ukuthi asafile America.
and okunye babeyenzela ukuthi kube easy ukuthi sithi izinto zama-movie. That's why okunye bagcina bepromote kakhulu le Halloween ukuthi like even when you see it you don't get scared, you don't panic or start oversharing ezinye
But
izinto.
look at
Halloween,
into
Halloween,
njengabo
Halloween.
Halloween, labo Christmas, look at capitalism, look at.
Ngaditshela
Look at
ngathi
capitalism, bro. It's because look, man, what does the fact that Jesus died for your sins have to do with you and your 7 colors?
What the fuck?
Christmas.
Oh no.
Christmas.
No, but
No,
really,
he does have a point.
ukufa kaJesu
Christmas ukufa.
kulani lokuthi ukuzalwa sharp uzelwe great. What does it have to do with you buying gifts now?
So uthi wena
Celebrating
so wena
his
uthi
birthday.
akumelanga sithwele impahla ze-Christmas.
Ngishongo. Ngithe mina.
What are you saying?
It's just
It's a
capitalism,
celebrity
bro.
birth-
Look at capitalism, dog. That's
I'm
why
gonna-
into lezena yazenzakala kota to Christmas you have Black Friday. Go and buy the things that you are supposed to buy so that Christmas makes sense. And on that so-called Black Friday, those things are never like 50% off. It's always like 10, 25.
Yeah.
So maybe we're going to spike up the price in October. And then in December, we say...
Goes back to the
25%,
original price.
Which means it's... Do you get me?
Yabona ipoint ekhulunywa ngomondli le ukuthi lokho lidinga le voice note liyazi ngifuna lizwe but ngizayidinga
But
ngiyifake
capitalism.
ngizayifaka after the episode. I'm going to tell you guys something crazy. Do you know why Santa Claus is red and white but his elves are wearing green?
Tell us.
Because initially Santa Claus was green as well. Wagqoka green njengama elves akhe. However, I'm not sure about the timestamp. I might be wrong on this. I'm assuming it's in the 1920s or 1930s. Coca-Cola started a campaign where they were making sure that any shop AI display Santa Claus in their corporate colors, which was red and white, would get either free merch or a free fridge.
That's how Santa went.
That's how Santa became red and
Capitalism,
white.
bro.
And that's how Christmas became red and white. But initially, Saint Nicholas of Saint Myra wore green and his elves wore green.
Capitalism is hectic, bro. I saw this. I'm not sure how far true it is.
Let me see if ever found out.
Ngangishaya marketing research, and they were telling me this is how Pepsi popped. Basically, Pepsi was struggling to get like market share, and then what these guys then did at Pepsi was, we're gonna throw empty bottles of Pepsi all over London.
So it looks like so many people are consuming it. That is 100% insane.
That way, Pepsi then popped, and now Pepsi is competing with Coca-Cola. You know,
Yeah.
it's a lot of these things that you associate with.
It's
This
the
is-
same.
was a
It's the same
Christianity,
thing that
exactly.
Monster Energy did.
But
This
a
is-
lot of our holidays, like Christianity, a lot of it is just capitalism, dog.
It's the same thing they tried to do with Kendrick Lamar. It's literally the same
That
thing.
one worked.
Yeah, it was
That one
successful.
did work.
Do you know how they were successful with the Kendrick Lamar venture? Who Drake is a black person. Actually, I will take it back.
They really tried to white Drake.
Let me tell you. 50s or 60s, I'll be wrong with the timestamps again. Frank Sinatra comes up doing a rhythm and blues that black people are doing. And Frank Sinatra gets hailed as the greatest of all time. And yet, black people start doing rock and roll. Elvis Presley shows up doing the same rock and roll that black people are doing. He becomes the greatest of all time. We move to the 90s, black people start doing hip hop. Eminem shows up doing the same hip hop that black people are doing. He becomes the greatest of all time. Same thing with R&B. Black people do modern day R&B. Justin Timberlake does it. You get me? So now, Michael Jackson was on the verge of becoming the greatest musician that ever lived. And that's why Tommy Mottola and Sony had to publicly execute Michael Jackson like that. First of all, he had to turn white. As soon as he started being big, they couldn't have a black man being the most powerful musician of all time. So Michael Jackson had to become white. Then even after he became white and he still became powerful, the pedophilia charges had to be thrown at him. In the last 2-3 years, gents, this is not a joke. You can go look at the statistics. You can go look at who had to Apple Music. A catalog that Drake is now more valuable than all the music that came out in the 80s and 90s combined. Drake is now the most powerful musician of all time. Suddenly his blackness is being questioned. This guy's been a nigger for 15 years. Suddenly he's a Jew. He's been a nigger for 15 years since he started his career. But ever since he became the most powerful musician of all time, suddenly he's Jewish. He's not black anymore. This is why I could never fucking forgive Kendrick Lamar for that shit that he did. Because we literally had a chance. We had one of ours, bro. That was our guy. A black person was about to become the most powerful musician of all time. And then they sent this fucking coon with 10% the talent to go discredit this guy. Pedophilia charges, same thing with Michael Jackson. Don't make him black, same thing with Michael Jackson.
Drake, just do right and kill everything.
Kill everything. Singakavalelisi la. Sorry bangani bami. Singakavalelisi bemfuba ukuthi bengazi bemfuba ukuthi juma ukuthi ukhona yini la ole XI regretayo olesibindi sokuyiqamba ngebizo la.
Oh, hell no.
I regret her in what sense? In what sense?
Let's go. Also, I mean, I need an extra regret.
Nangila regretayo.
Let's go.
Upetronela.
Andlane thola ukuthi ibizo lona lifonile.
Petronella just sounds like
Mondli kambo wakho.
that sounds like
Thambana wakho.
mina kula ex engiregret ngapha.
Wena ke Mondli.
Even ikhona bana ngayiqamba yathi
Amna ngkhona ngifuna ukuyiqama nje.
Alibona last week is 60 views.
Mina ikhona nje ngifuna ukuyiqama.
Damn.
Steve wena wona.
Aba regreta.
Bona ba regreta.
No.
Rich.
I don't know, bro. Mina kula ex engiri. Yey.
Hayi mina ikhona mana ngiyiqama. Mina ngikuthiwa nguFranklin Thandodliwayo.
Thay ex yafona. Kanti ansela.
Ex le efonayo.
Uthe mbani umqambe simuzi.
Kuthiwa nguFranklin Thandodliwayo le light skin.
Franklin.
Slim. Hlala enketha 9.
Wakwenzani Thandodliwayo?
Ache uyanchirwana nje. Nah, that hand uyanya bro.
Wakwenzani?
Awuyanya nje.
Sasifuna ukuzwa phela unye sithini.
Awuyanya nje. Alright, so this is what happened. Sasingofombani.
Uthanda ukukhuluma ngela mic, lokucisha mic.
I think that was my second high school relationship. Yeah.
Kanti nama relationship high school lewabala, okay?
I'm nayebala check. That was a bit too serious, bro.
Okay.
Like it was like for real, it was serious. So that was from 3, from 4. Aye, baba, that was a relationship like for real.
Hayi phela.
Wabe vaya
Dokhona nophuma.
A-level wabe siyafunda eMontrose. So, yena sithi A-level me I started working.
What's her name?
Franklin Thandodliwayo.
Oh, so when also something.
Oh, Franklin.
Franklin Thandodliwayo. This one's for you.
Dog,
Time
yabo.
2 pizza.
Exactly. Those were the days in Kamba nge 320.
Oh,
This nigga was
okay.
driving in high school, bro. That's how you that.
So-
It's a soft boy, this one.
it's not that safe.
So, boy, the hand goes to A-level, sharp. So I had a system of once in a while go and pick her up at school, drop at cabins, or drop away sharp.
Oh, blind DP.
Awezwa behlana nga.
Hey,
HNS.
baba. Hey, baba. Right.
No,
City
mina
lady
phansi
mdala.
kwesihlahla lapha.
Bro. City lady.
Nice vibes, everything. Nah.
Ngizelikaze hi.
So this other day, I go and
Kumele
check out
lapha
at school.
usihlahla.
Ne? I call her, sharp,
Ngiyaphumekeleza.
ngiyabuya. I get to the gate, I'm calling. She's not picking her phone. Hey, okay. since kungumuntu ojayele ukukha labangani bakhe, let me just drive along and
Check
if
i-cost.
exactly. Ngiyahamba labana. Tony Village, she's pushing vibes with this funny Hams boys.
Told you, boys.
The Hams boys.
No, I told be funny,
So
boys.
me being me, ngapho ngudlula. Actually, like I didn't see.
Abanashala
Ngadlula
driver
ngachibilika Founders 10.
Wegoqa.
Chibilika lapana ngaphenduka. Then she noticed me actually ngidlula. Wasebuyele bangani bakhe and she left the boy. Sharp. Figure labana, me being me, ngamikira, waba happy sharp, wangena emotini sahamba. Following day she did the same thing. Now manje second day angidlulanga. Ngafika ngapaka eceleni.
Nobody zonethana ipapa.
Ichomi yabe sticker yona. Yena wabe cross umgwaqo. So wathi ebhoda ngapha ezovula umnyango ngabe ngilokho iminyango.
Achu.
Siyazama ukuvula umnyango mna swipe.
Achu.
Ngabe ngiyehla mina emotini. Now far bro. Sharp. Ngabe ngeleli ichomi because ichomi apparently the nigga was friends with some of my niggas engangifunda lapha high school.
It be your niggas, bro.
Fike labana, bro, how far, sure. Then the nigga recognized me. Swiss guys who sakhuluma sharp. Then the hand is now surprised. We got lava how far be ring. Ngabe ngisuka mina. Abuyele emoteni, chase key ngavala. Then one of the friends called. He's like, hey, my friend is sorry. Hey, she made a mistake, blah, blah, blah.
So
She
wena
wasn't
ungatshongo
supposed to do
lutho.
it. Angitshongo lutho bro.
Ngoba isazela.
Ngoba isazile dog.
Yeah, man, that bitch was cheating.
Damn.
Umngane wabefona.
Franklin Dliwayo.
Kahle kwacha vele.
Thoba Franklin
Thangu
Thando.
Franklin Thando Dliwayo. Funny enough, I still got a
Franklin
number, bro.
Thando Dliwayo allegedly bathi
Uhle,
wena.
hayi, not even
Ngiyedwa
allegedly. Not even
ekhaya
allegedly.
imoto
Oh, phela mina ngimazi
Uye,
mina
she
ngithi
did
allegedly.
it.
Wawuphula
Hey,
inhliziyo.
that was my
Awunamuntu-
first serious heartbreak.
Akatholakala uzakutshela ukuthi hayi zwana joke. Manga utshethi. Asikhulume la.
Hayi, asikhulume la,
man,
nje.
man.
That can be a segment of the.
Man,
of the
Simfonele
network.
sikhulume la.
Lalela Chomlami, sedibadala.
You guys can talk it out.
I try. I'm happy where I'm at, bro. I'm happy where I'm at.
Girlfriend lo.
I'm
Man,
happy
man,
where I'm
man.
at, brother.
Ungavumi ukuchithela umuzi.
Yes.
Mangami.
But
Baba,
I'd khuluma precision.
singenza into yokuzama ukuthi lihlale phansi lithi hayi namana ukuthi ngangisamncane. Siyenzele.
You know, funny enough, I actually tried that. Before I started dating the one I'm dating right now. Ngadrive ngaya
Wangazwakali futhi.
Ngadrive ngaya ngiwo nje like ngabo 6 5 half 5 6 ngamvile Spani. I'm like, you know what, let me just go and check out. Fika lapana, she was alone ngiwo. Afika ngapaka phandle mina prom outside. She was surprised. Afika sharp sakhuluma. It was funny obvious because we knew what had happened before.
So this is the first link up since the
First ever.
highway beef.
Exactly.
After
And this is after how long?
After the drama.
Yeah, and how long has it
How
been?
long?
That was after, I think, a
The squabble
year or
on the
two.
rubble.
Ah, that's enough time to.
You know, low key, I'm actually
the block.
happy
To
because
be horny again.
Yeah,
she
it's enough
she
time
lost
to spin
some
the block.
serious weight, bro. Like, funny.
Phela lapha na
You like the thick or slender boy?
Ay, baba, no, she was.
Baba.
Ngithini?
Oh, yeah,
She was
yes,
a slim slender. She was a thick
Slim
slender,
thick,
actually.
that's the word you're looking for, my boy.
Exactly, slim thick, ne? But second time ngimbona, she was finished.
Hayi.
She was
Bathi
finished.
kumnandi azohlala le ex yakho
Bro.
ephilileyo.
Ah, she was, you know, bro.
Yazi mawumbona sobo.
Dog, you
This
know, I
one.
said this. I said, mina ngacho ngathi, bro, in a relationship, after you guys break up, it becomes a competition.
Brother.
Someone has to win that thing. Who is winning the breakup?
As if was ngihamba ngambona and everything was sharp ngabe ngivanga
Ngila
ekhaya.
ex ewe.
2
Ngiyabangila dog.
2 days
Uyi-one
later,
ophila abayisikhoro
2 days
business,
later, this other bro of mine uhlale eHarare kathesi ngasafunda sonke high school uyangitext uthi mfels wayibona ex yakho ukuthi sinjani. Bro wayephelile dog.
Nje,
Bro.
Umuntu, and you guys name drop.
No, she actually looks
He
pretty.
named
She's
drop
got a
like
pretty face.
18
but
times.
That's
hey,
my
baba
time, dog. That's my
wayephelile
Ukhuluma
dog.
inhliziyo ebuhlungu.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Wena
No,
wena
but-
ola ex ochesa la ipangukile.
Nota nikhona i-one apha nota ex amagiza.
But inhliziyo yami ayisekho buhlungu mina kutheni. After I saw the state she was in.
I think imali.
Imali plays a big role, bro. But personally, me I was happy seeing my ex.
Imvumi defeat ngibe yisikoro.
She was finished as fuck.
Kumele upopa.
Ngikhulokho esahle ukuthi ngahlana la uthi hayi laba bayangeki.
Yeah, it's true.
Yabona yeah. Alisense ukuthi hayi ngithi ayimazi no.
Vele
Mina
i-pressure
ngibe
i-pressure yoba umuntu oblind ukuthi kumele uhlale usiba blind and blind because nxa uthandana nabantu aba-blind basala besiba blind la kumele ube blind
Ube
and blind.
blind. Hey.
Lenye ichomi yami nje ke nami ibhiya ile tattoo kaCherrwana nje. uCherrwana alela ba-breaker up ndoda uCherrwana qasa ukudata ichomi liyani ekwanisa ukuthenga ama-ticket ani.
Ultra.
There we go.
Fly.
I knew you were gonna get it.
A flight.
Flight F1 baba.
F1.
Abu Dhabi Grand Prix. Ichomi lami ndoda.
I'm not gonna
He's still not out of that depression.
Nah, bro, that you
I'm
don't
saying.
get over that, dog.
You don't get over that shit.
Bengeke uhile.
Let me tell you something. You don't.
Preach, bro.
Hey, Joe, you can get over a girl that you break up with today, and then tomorrow she's here at Cotton with a guy who can buy Vev. Calm, fade it, fuck it.
Yeah.
F1.
F1. I mean, I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna say this much. Sonke simature. Sonke siya move on.
Nah, Formula One, you're not coming back.
But hi, not only that, not only
You look
that.
like the mistake she made.
It's not even
F1
that,
has no
dog.
return,
It's not
bro.
even that.
Formula One.
A Formula 1 ayila
Awa,
return
bruh,
ticket.
you look like the
just-
cover of her life, boy. Let me tell you.
Oh,
Basically,
yilanga.
stepping stone, bro.
Ngicabanga ungqake sizandlwana.
Abu Dhabi Grand Prix.
Brother.
F1
F1 ticket is
Like,
wild.
so my point is, sonke simature, sonke siya move on. But kule level of competitiveness that we still maintain with our exes. Lingazama ukuzenza lina eliholi elingcwele elingadli ipork. Ngiyalizwa. But on some level, you are still looking at your exes and there's still a drive to not look like they upgraded from you. And that shit hurts, bro.
That does hurt, bro.
When you see an
That's what,
ex.
brother. That's what I'm saying. It's a competition. Someone has to win this thing.
Ngeke ngicatha nge-fame. I-fame phela
Usurephi.
Guys,
ayimesheki.
I think maybe it's Chiene. Mina, this is how I put it. Like, if I know I wasn't at fault at the previous relationship, my revenge, maybe it's not a revenge.
Hey, Price.
I-
You're talking adult things. Listen, Joe. I'm
Zwanini.
saying.
Wamekile kuqeda amangaki.
Zwanini.
Simlaleli.
Ngiyalichaya phela lo
Kodwa lapho siyakukhulela
Qeda
thina.
amangaki. Qeda
Qeda
amangaki.
ke.
Mina indlela engenza ngayo Jekan is refocusing my energy to the next relationship and being happy genuinely.
No,
Yeah.
but he's
No.
actually right. Because
Yeah,
in his way, in his way,
Zwana pen.
he's still winning.
Whether I'm making more money or less money than I used to make, Eli, but if I'm genuinely happy.
Qinisile kodwa
And-
awuqinisile.
That's still the competition.
Because enye into yazi omunye umuntu senganjani yena sengamove on athola omunye umuntu olemali la ukudlula
But
mina
isandla-
but you know
Bhala
boys.
ama-quotes
You guys
angaphelile.
are
ngizalichaya Zwanini
Mane
sakhuluma
khuluma.
Life.
But
But
amakhathi abisenzani?
yazi into ekhona kuyini let's say engxenye like for guys uCherrwana uex yakhe ifika ithola omunye umuntu olemali ukudlula wena uzabona ngani uwinile up until I realize ukuthi that guy with money doesn't always have time and sekunaze ukuthi okay that attention that I was getting that genuine love that care umjida akalasi isikhathi sokwenza ezinye izinto ekade laso
Lapho ukhuluma oral sex.
no. I mean like is in time and companionship. Because Ocherry they value that more than anything. Ukuthi uyasithola isikhathi sami.
My
Yabo.
qualms with what you're saying, Price, is when you're talking, you're healing now. Do you get me? Now you're fine. Now you've accepted. It's chai. Look, I'm gonna work on myself. I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna be happy. This is what I'm doing.
But that's still a
I'm saying,
competition.
my brother. No, you're talking healing. It's like grief. This thing. A real breakup is like grief.
Yeah.
Like 5 stages, Joe. Google that thing.
Because I think
That
now
one that
revenge
you're talking about
abongakahili
is
lapha.
acceptance. Is the last one.
Say right, so 5 lo.
Also great. I'm talking about the part where you
1,
have
2,
to
3.
go through denial.
1, 2, 3.
Njani? Iyaphenduka.
Umstalking stack kodwa ungamfollow.
Yaphenduka lo.
I think
Then you
mina
start
when
bargaining.
you're talking about that and then I have to go back to isikhathi sasengangobabo.
Yeah,
No,
sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
But
that's what
he's
I'm
right.
saying.
The older you get, the less you are
The
really
less,
competitive
because
about
like
that
you've
shit.
gone through it. But I'm saying the phase you're talking about is like
Probably
Bro,
never
you don't break up
you're
with a
just
girl
a mad
today.
DJ. Yes, you're just a mad DJ.
No, bro.
Into le
Like
uBryce
you don't-
aqala ukuyikhuluma.
Zwana.
Yamzisa ubuhlungu into le.
Fine, just a mad DJ. Come see me now.
Come now. Come
That's ibonanza wena.
Come see me now.
Mtshela ukuthi
give you a
ebuyela
ticket.
i-podcast imnike $10 la.
Mfana.
food.
The ticket.
Mfana.
Bro, that's what I'm saying. Mina ukuthi uprice phase ayikhulumayo is a phase where you're grown and now you can say, you know, this is not worth my time. Let me focus. Hey Joe, let me tell you, before you get there,
It's
you're
a
gonna
dark
rock.
phase.
You're gonna rock. You're gonna vibe gym. You're gonna vibe church. If a girl has never sent you to church, wait, it's
You're
coming.
gonna try get
You're
some
gonna be
money.
at
You're gonna try get some money. You're gonna watch Andrew Tate.
You're gonna do a
You're
fake
gonna
lifestyle.
you're gonna post quotes. Joe. You're gonna do it. All
Salanyiswa
of
lini.
it. Uzakushaya dog.
Yabo senza leyani ukuthi uCherry abephonga ukuthi ubona i-status sakhe suba ngicomment uthi haha lol that's funny.
Akubluthi.
Hayi lalela.
Bese uyayigagela the whole week.
Yabo sathi lol that's funny. I was telling my bros that other day when they picked me up from the airport. Suba kuhlohlela ama-flex unnecessary
Ezingekhoyo.
ezingekhoyo.
Into ezingekhoyo.
Wena utshela uzakwe-experience okay abafana ubona ukuthi i-message le
Yikho mina ngisho.
Amphendula awukhona seminebe ngikhanze
when?
wow.
ebonga uhlohlela i-flex
Yikho mina
unnecessary.
ngisho ukuthi ama-status
Wakhanjela
akho,
ama-boutiques, so
you
uyabe
have to be
wow.
doing well. And she must see
Ukuthi
them.
ngibonile.
You get me? Yikho ngikutsho ukuthi iphase uBryce akhuluma ngayo angitsho ukuthi it's unreal or it's not there. It's there.
Khitshwa amathi.
Kodwa kusho ukuthi ufuna ukunya.
Lalela.
Kodwa
Denora kuhle
kodwa before you get to like that phase in your life or usukwazi
To the
wena usuzazi
maturity.
like yourself starved to say you know what boy it is what it is kuyatholakala into ezikhona before you get there my dog you wanna vibe you wanna be nice. I've seen girls cut their hair. I've seen church girls, they go blonde, they go purple.
Getting ready.
Wait.
Yabo ku-sunken place.
Daughter.
Nakanjalo but yokugela inwele. Nanjaya ngaluze weight uphela.
Yike ngikutsho.
Oluzi wait apha nona kade ulithaki wena kade ngikuthembile.
Iya, engakafiki lapho.
Ngebe mbela ku podcast so ngithole ngistickile so. Lama days lapha angaphumi efonini so yabusasendu high.
But you're not that bad because I remember the time you even talking about you were okay because as soon as you started recording you were fine.
No guys.
You had to do the thing.
Ngimele ngenze podcast ngiqeda la sensendlini mvala amakhethe ngilale ku floor.
Lalela uAdele mfana.
Ingoma vele ingoma ngisifuni mangikhala fukuqiqeka so ku floor.
But belikhona iXA1 wakwaphumelela like alright owaqalisa ukuphumelela
Where you got your
after.
leg back.
Exactly.
Bro, I'm not just saying these things.
Welele.
I know what I'm talking about.
Welele.
Kumele ufike.
Umondi
Akuna
Tate bro.
shortcut.
Umondi Tate.
Akuna shortcut.
Breezy, I know
You have to go through
you've
it,
been
bro.
in the same
You have to
shit.
get your leg back.
What are you asking?
By break up people.
Like Uji,
Break up by time.
definitely
because
there is that one ex that you really bounced on like after him you went.
That one.
Yeah.
Not really bounced on to say Uji after you I rocked because for me you must be 10
As
or
well.
9, not a 7, not a 8.
I mean I think it's in daughter.
But this is not to say kule ex bounce akiyo. Vele ungazibona ulabantu bounce ukuthi hey after this girl I went up shoot to the nkey. Kumele dog.
Umondi nemde bro.
Anamhlakazwaka.
We are off remember.
Nah, shoot to the nkinga bro because like
Breezy,
how is
wena
your
ubusithi
taste
nje.
changing?
I mean I think as a man, listen doc, I think as a man, really it is your mandate to get better year after year.
Yeah.
Whether you're in and out of relationships, doc,
Exactly.
you must not even leave anything to chance.
It's not
The
like
podcast must get
But
bigger.
yabona ama-points
Your chest
esiwakhulumayo
must
they
get
are
bigger.
one-sided. Umongi wena kumele usitshele on your side
very
ukuthi thina
right.
because thina siyakwazi ukuthi thina kithi is easy.
iyenza njani?
Just get better a better body,
More
get
money,
money.
more popular.
Because into corner,
No, once you have
if
the
you can get
popular
any,
food.
if you can get any lady, ngemali oyabulayo, you can
Uyabusucovered.
upgrade her.
When uthini dadewethu.
Yabona uthe ungatholi happiness yamaqini. Yabona.
Yeah, for my cherry maybe happiness. Maybe she's right.
Cause wazi ungaba happy yonke into yaba right. Awusayiboni le break up lan thezi madoda ngeke.
Because for
Hey bro, whoever you are, kumele ngibulane ngithatha
Mina nguthi
amanothi.
ngakubona lokho esikhalesa ngamadezi lawo nephoka angakwani sokusithi ngife. Mama yala podcast ayenza uqeda stress. Yabona manje sensendlini sensiyakhala so ngiyafika ngiguqa so isitting room khasa ngamadoda.
also sasikuza
Hlale so njeke so empedini ngikhala.
sasikuza ungasitsheli.
Angangikhuluma.
Sasi-coping mechanism.
Yayingena manje imgcini ibhek.
But ongoni uyazi umondli.
Awulayitha ngempama.
Ngishilo ngathi sefuna ukunya.
Uyazi uNicole.
Kulesikhathi ethebiza umondli wathi mondli.
Uyazi uNicole Jake. Wehlela ukukhuluma uyaclown and yakhumula most of the time sesithanda ukushutela lapha area la.
Yes.
Yakhumbula.
Angikhonza sila kombe lapha. La.
Sasangapha. Asasinga. Kodwa yakhumula ama days ngamasofa la cause set up lapha wona uyabuhlezi ngabe usefonini. Uyakuthi majensi mina ngiyafokofa but uhlala ukhuluma ngejoke.
No, ngiyabe ngajoke cause ngikupodcast so yonke into emeli ibe ngani ngijoke but ngamfokofa wamaqini. Yazi ngamphela sothi manje ngigade so ngithi ngicabanga cause angihlale emacho la ngicabanga ukuthi imoto uzayibona icross isporo uzothwa sengisegedini. Yazi angakwanisi vele. Ngafuna ngangiluma ibhega ngikhala so.
All right, my question is
So ngokuya kwesikhathani into lana angani yaphi I think into lana qedwa i-podcast.
Healing.
that's what we're here for.
Yeah,
So
ngokuya
thina
kwe-podcast.
be-weekend awusasibadi.
Oh,
Lina legadeni elalirekhaya.
I-healing yena kulanto yayiyenza ngoba
Alright.
wayejive ikhangeli i-ex.
Yenza ojayele ukukwenza ngini.
Sasilapha.
Senzani?
Hayi lo khona omewotho akayenza ukuyenza ngiyo.
Umongi uthola ukuthi uNicole uthola ukuthi sorry uthola ukuthi one day sanika iprize for umuntu ozasitshela i-first episode yafi yakhona because umongi uke wabuya lapha ku-podcast maybe 15 or so or maybe 10 episodes engekho even maybe 20 engekho on camera wayebuye pho nguhlala kuphela
ghost.
occasionally sipho umqhubela imic
Kanjalo.
occasionally
Anandi ukudla. Joki.
ulabanga uphithile
Urafa athi sambeni ngawusibona kuphela sambeni. Ngamse
selingena phakathi kwelambo
ngena kulambo awusibona lapho sisichithe imoto ethe red lapha la.
Accelerate to your ex-house.
But hayi guys
Healing, bro.
podcast ingadi inde ngahila ngaba right.
I think
Abarayt.
I think point yakho was maybe for Ocherry, the best way to kind of recover from an ex and actually get in that competitive side is to get a genuinely enjoyable relationship where you are genuinely happy.
Anzange ngayithola cause I enjoyed the cut but
Fuck.
but
Baby lost. She lost.
We were building up to
didn't
something
lose.
there, but fuck.
I didn't
Happiness. And just
So far, man, do not.
Umzulu fucking God came prison.
So I lost guys.
Aye, to be honest,
That one came from deep down from the bottom of it.
money. Money. Thina zabangani bakho. Bese siqamela banka. So far L.
yeah. You have to one
Well,
up that guy.
they lost right
we
now.
need you to be in a
The
very
only
happy
way,
relationship.
ngikutshele dog. The only way also
No, cause mina eqiniso
Yena semove on.
Ngisaba ukuthi phambi kwami ngisaba
That's
ukujola.
why you're still in an L.
Ngisaba ukujola.
W yakho and
hey, lapho zopopa khona.
yikuvuka kwakho ube
Usithole
happy.
i-relationship emnandi.
Like ezothiwa amankazana so eze kumele ngiluze i-weight eze ngiluze umkhaba.
Right way.
Uyakwazi abantu
Mana
abakulaleleyo
ukuthi
ku-podcast
emjuleni
lapho
ehambayo
abahlala becela
Akula
inamba yakho
njalo.
lapha besihlupha.
No, I'm just saying phela ukuthi amankazana phela somele ngi-revenge exam imbona nisomele ngeluze umkhaba ngiqasa uhambe ejim ngibe muhle ngiqasa ugqoma
Kumele kubone unona ebona uthudla
Nahamba
imali.
ku-podcast ahamba kuyinde ahamba kugarden azi ngaba happy anjoli awula mfana vele ondihlupha vele angifuni abafana guys niyabasaba omni abasaba
La usaku L.
Monke sifuna imali mani yazi bakufuna njani ku-podcast.
ayimali ngiyayithola ku-podcast that day aphosa
Agents
ngayo
bayahamba
Hayi, thina into esiyifunayo.
Ijingwe.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in.
Shout
It's
out
been
to you
another
guys.
fantastic episode of the BYO podcast with yours truly, the Drake fans, including Mongi,
including
including supported Drake.
Sesikufakini.
I-podcast le ka-Drake le.
Sesikufakile.
I-podcast le ka-Drake.
walimfaka but it's fine
Before we go, shout out Arsenal fans. We don't know. Yeah, but yeah. Shout out
Oh,
Arsenal.
no.
Hi, it's City.
No.
No, WZW boys.
Asambe
No,
It is what it is.
Cishe
Shout out
kamera.
Arsenal
It's
fans.
all right.
Sesivala ngizalivalisa umbuzo othi uyibone ngaphi i-team nge-era ye-VAR eqede isizini yonke i-VAR isithi ayizange commit i-foul that led to a penalty. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Yolana eti poo 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 poo.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
It's Bomboclat time. The first 5 people to WhatsApp me on 0783349439 and tell me what was the first episode we ever shot at King's Crawl Cotton Lounge and who were the 2 people on camera. We'll each get a what? $10 a cookish.